Hi guys, today we are starting with the day 5 solutions for InfyTQ assignments for programming with Python module. So we are in the first problem, and that is the 22nd problem overall. In this problem we have to write a Python function that is given by find underscore pair underscore numbers, which accepts a list of positive integers with no repetitions and returns the counts of pairs in that list that adds up to n. The function should return 0 obviously if no such pairs are found in the list. So the pair can be of any elements present in the list, but we must make sure that the pair must not be of the same elements. Means suppose 1 is occurring once in your list, 1 must not be a pair. The pair possible for 1 is 1 2 1 7 1 4 4 1 5 1 6 and so on. Similarly for 2 is 2 7 2 4 2 5. So as you can see, we would have to fix one element, and we would have to iterate from it next onwards in order to find its pairs, and on that pair we would have to see whether its sums adds up to the particular number that is provided as the second parameter. So let's jump on to our PyCharm and let's start our coding. So we would be creating a new directory as day 5, and in that directory we would be creating a new Python file as problem 22. So first we have been told that we have to create a function. So the function name is given as find underscore pairs underscore of underscore numbers. Okay, and that takes in two parameters, that is the list as well as the number that we have to find the pairs of sum of. Okay, that is the pairs of the elements present in the list must add up to this particular number. So first we would be keeping the count of the pairs as 0, and for I in range, this is the first loop, that is in order to find the first element of the pair, this would be signifying it. And for I in range length of L, then for J in range it would be I plus 1, that is from the next element till the length of the list. We would be finding the second element of the pair. So if L of I plus L of J is equal to n, then we would be increasing the count by 1. So this is for the function, and just we would return count in the end. So first we would be taking in let's just copy the list that has been provided to us as the sample input. Let's copy both of the parameters only. So let's just print, and let's just write the name of the function that we had created and provide the parameters that we had copied. Let's run our code. So we are getting 3, and the expected output is also 3. Let's copy our second sample input. And copy it and pass it as the parameters of a function. And let's run our code again, and we are getting 4, which is apparently also equal to our expected output. So we have written a program that satisfies all of the test cases. So thanks for watching the video, guys. See you in the next one.